Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the problem precisely. Know the species, where you saw activity, and when it happens. Use Google to run a specific query that includes pest type plus location or season so results are targeted. This reduces time wasted on generic advice. Once done, gather photos and timestamps and save a few high-ranking search results. Make sure to open 2-3 authoritative pages and a local services listing. These are your first actionable resources for identification and immediate control steps. Now you translate search results into a plan. Compare baiting versus trapping versus exclusion and decide based on the pest biology and indoor versus outdoor context. Read product labels and user reviews found via Google to understand efficacy and safety. Also check local pesticide regulations to avoid restricted chemicals. Once you choose methods, map a timeline. Containment to stop spread, targeted treatment to remove the source, and monitoring to confirm success. Make sure to bookmark trusted pages for quick reference. Finish by carrying out treatments exactly as planned and documenting the outcomes, photos, dates, and symptom changes, so you can evaluate effectiveness. If the problem persists, refine your Google search with phrases like persistent ants after baiting, plus specific symptoms to find advanced strategies or resistance information. Make sure to escalate when risks increase. Call a licensed pest professional or local extension service. Troubleshooting tip: if multiple DIY attempts fail, resistance or misidentification is likely, stop treatments and seek expert diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.